Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and I am going to show you how to cook an egg. So let me put the camera more over here so we can show you there. Okay, now we've got the egg, we've got the spatula to flip the egg, then we got the butter so we can put it on and it can melt, and then we got the salt, and of course the pepper. And here is an egg I just made just to show you. Let's try it out. I haven't tried it yet, so pretty decent. My cooking skills are not that good, but yeah, it's good. And then, guys, this is my first video showing you how I cook. Almost over here, and how to cook an egg for you guys. Let's get started here. So here I'm gonna show the camera right. Sorry guys. Right about here. Now here, we're gonna pull it towards here in the middle, so it's that high. And then here, let's put the camera back where it was. Now we gotta put the butter on. So let's put the butter on here. And the butter is melting. And you see how I'm just throwing it around here? It's actually melting. So that's good for the butter. Now that it's all melted, it's time for the favorite part, the egg. Okay, there's a little bit of pepper in there, because for my recent, I accidentally tipped the pepper over. Now there's pepper over the ground, but yeah. So, guys. This is a completely rotten egg. Guys, we have a rotten egg. You wanna see? It's green. I don't know if you guys can see, but let's turn this stuff off. Guys, completely failure here. We have a rotten egg. This is not safe to eat, so let's take this and put it in the garbage. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to use a new pan. Let me get it. Alright, we have a new pan, and now you can go get a farmer egg, because that was if this one's a rotten egg. We grab the mini bowl. And let's see if it's a rotten egg. 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry guys. Here, let's show it right over here. Pretty close, but no, we do not have a round egg. You can tell by the difference here. This, I don't know if you guys can see, but like, wow. You guys can kind of see, not really, I don't know. Okay, now, that's it there. I don't usually put it in a bowl. I just wanted to see if it was rotten. Because we don't want a rotten egg in the stomach. That's bad. Okay. The oven's not even on because I recently was cooking and I'm gonna have to put it on low. At least at low. Okay, time to put the egg on. We've got the egg on, guys. Now, let's make it successful here again. I hope this works this time. I don't see no green here. Yeah, by the way, it was green, so disgusting. Where's the spatula? Oh, guys, where's the spatula? Did I leave it in the fridge? Guys, I think I'm just blind or... Oh, it's right here. Nice. Nice. We have a cooking. Yes, let's go. Okay, let's get the salt. You always want to put the salt on here too. There. Now that it's frying and bubbling kind of that, when it starts to do that, you want to put the salt and pepper on. Not that much pepper, but at least a good amount. Now, let's put it to, let's keep it up high just for a little bit here. Now, let's grab the spatula and flip it over. And we successfully flipped it over. Now, let's put it to low. Get the salt and pepper. Turn the stove off. Let's grab a plate. You still have leftover yolk on the pan here, so we successfully cooked an egg. It's kind of a hard one here because we did have a rotten egg. But we did it, guys. Like, look at that. I think it's really good. Really good. Let's bring the camera over here. I'm gonna go get the other egg. Which one do you think's better? I might not get comments on, but I think this one's gonna go for the win here today. Okay, for the final test, let's review it. So it looks really good. Smell it here, smells good. Made it for this one, for the smell. This one smells pretty good because it did lay for 10 minutes, but now that we got the yolk in the middle. Let's go grab a fork and test it out. We have got a fork. Let's test it out. I hope this is not rotten. That is an egg right there. That is good. I might eat the rest of it. Yeah, we got the yolk. The yolk is the most healthiest part. That's why I like it. This is really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!